Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Home, stay safe. Today, in this online session, I am here with Heredity and Evolution Part 1 of 10th Standard. Today's topics for discussion are heredity, variation, genetics, accumulation of variations during reproduction, rules for inheritance of traits, and why Mendel has chosen Garden Pea as his experiment. So let us start the session. First of all, we will know what is heredity and variation. Heredity means transfer of characters or traits from parent to offspring. Either the character is of father or of mother. Variation is the differences between the characters or traits among the individuals of the same species. You might have seen variation in your classroom among your friends. Variation may be seen in your home, also among your siblings if they are not identical twins. So variation is a important tool for evolution. Here in the given figure, you may observe variation among the individual of same species. So I hope it is clear to all of you about variation by observing this figure. Next topic is about genetics. It is a branch of science, particularly biology, that deals with the study of heredity and variations. Gregor Johann Mendel was considered as father of genetics because first time he studied genetics. The given figure is about inheritance of human traits or characteristics. That is those characters that transfer from parent to their offspring. For example, rolling of tongue, hitchhiker thumb, widow's peak, attached earlobe. You may find out these characters in your friends. Is it present or not? Now the next topic is about accumulation of variations during reproduction. It means how variations occurs. During reproduction, variations occur due to inaccuracies while copying DNA. These variations are more in sexual reproduction and less in asexual reproduction. As in asexual reproduction, one parent is involved, whereas in sexual reproduction, two parents of opposite sexes are involved. Variations are always not useful. Useful variations help the organism to adjust to the changes in the environment. But those variations which are not useful, then they do not help the organisms to adjust to the changes in the environment, and they may die and also become extinct because they are not selected by nature. Now let us see about the rules for inheritance of traits. As we know that genes are responsible for transmission of characters from parent to offspring. So where the genes are present? Genes are present in the DNA molecule. DNA molecule are present in chromosomes, and chromosomes are present in nucleus of the cell. So The inheritance of character is due to the fact that both the mother and father contributes equal amount of genetic material to the child. So, for each character, there are two factors, one from father and other from mother. Gregor Johann Mendel conducted experiment with Pisum sativum, that is garden pea, and he determined the rules for inheritance of characters from one generation to another generation. This figure shows that chromosomes are present in the nucleus of the cell. Next topic is about why Mendel has chosen garden pea plant for his experiment for inheritance of character. There are several reasons for this. Let us discuss one by one. First is flowers of pea are hermaphrodite, means bisexual. That is, both male and female parts, that is stamen and carpel, are present in a single flower. Flowers of pea plants are capable of self-pollinating and self-fertilizing. This helps in obtaining constant trait or pure line. In pea plant, cross-pollination can be easily achieved and easy to hybridized. The most important reason is that in pea plant, 7 pairs of contrasting characters are seen. For example, tall and dark plant, round and wrinkled seeds, purple or violet and white flower, green and yellow pods, etc. Pea plants are easy to cultivate and also it is annually. Annually means it requires only one season for completing its life cycle. This is the figure which shows about 7 pair of contrasting character in pea. Axial and terminal flower, tall and short or dwarf plant, round and wrinkled seeds, yellow and green seeds, purple or violet and white flower, green and yellow pods, inflated and constricted pods. So this is all about today's online session. So thank you, and for any kind of doubt, please write your question in comment section.